This retro-looking ride has a stylish luxury leather seat, enhancing its distinct look. It comes fully assembled right out of a crate, so all you need to do after unpacking is put in the battery and rear view mirror and complete the look. It also comes with a 1-year, 10,000-mile engine warranty. This model is favored by many riders because of its 12-inch steel mag style wheels, ensuring excellent safety while on the road. The standard front disc brakes render effortless stopping power when you need it. It also features a small yet robust 4-stroke single-cylinder 50cc engine. The automatic CVT transmission runs smoothly and provides dynamic power up to a maximum speed of 30 miles per hour. The big headlight integrated in front is to ensure better nighttime visibility and safety. The electric kickstart is convenient and easy to use. This stylish little scooter sports cool design features like LED turn signals, color-matched rear-view mirrors, and chrome trim. It also comes with a USB adapter inside the dash storage area, which comes in handy when you need to charge your phone. This scooter measures 75 by 27 by 44 inches with a ground clearance of 6 inches. It weighs just 238 pounds.